First of all, I would like to thank God for your beautiful life. Love nga, grabe kayo mo palangga. Love, thank you kayo sa tanan. Di lang kay imo kong gipili, kundi mapangasawa pati ka. I am truly blessed because I have you. Ikaw ang akong answered prayer.
Today, I stand before God, our family, our friends, with heart that is full because I know kitang duha iplano sa Ginoo.
This time we begin.
Sukad nga, nisulod ka sa akong kinabuhi, love. Wala na ko ilaing gihandom, kundi ikaw lang ang makauban hangtod sa hangtod. Ikaw ang akong home, akong pahulay, og akong forever. Og karon love, pila na lang ka minutos, officially married na jud ta.
While I was dreaming, I saw you standing there. I just don't know if you'd give in. You'd give in. Even if I feel everything was meant to be, I wish that I could know be.
Dear friends, brothers and sisters in the Lord, good afternoon. We are gathered here in the presence of God to witness and bless the union of Beverly and Jade and Beverly in Christian marriage.
Don't let me go. I need to know. I need to know. Don't let me go. I need to know. I need to. I need to. You know that it's true when I keep saying, oh, oh, please be mine. Oh, oh, please be mine. I've got eyes for you, and I keep saying, oh, oh, please be mine. Oh, oh, please be mine.
Love, I still remember the first time I met you in 2017 during our church camp. Back then, you were just someone I knew. Nothing more. Parang wala na ba? But in 2018, something changed in how I saw you. I started noticing you, not just your presence, but who you are. How gentle you are, how responsible you are. Grabe ka, God-fearing, family-oriented. And ano ko ni Lord? Lord, kabuutan pasad kaya niya. I admired you quietly. And kabalo na kaana. Wala jud ko nag-first move. I just watched you from afar. Never thinking that one day I would be standing here promising forever to you.
It showed me what it's like to be loved. I'll show you what I'll do, what I'll say. The thanks I'll go to
And yes, love, I used to joke yun and saying, "Oh, Lord, basig magdalagang gulang." Nagad ko, ani, I finished college, humana lang pag-eskwela, nagtrabaho, zero. And yes, love, but behind every joke was a real prayer. Lord, please prepare my heart. And you did, Lord.
Love is painful, love is hard. Love can see beauty through the scars. There's an art to the edge, a brown to the brushstrokes on burgundy.
Love, when I look at you now, I realize you are worth every waiting season I went through. Because from the very beginning until today, you have stayed the same. Grabe ka consistent.
What I would do, what I would say, the lengths I would go to, the measures I'd take to be loved.
Even the distance between us, you never made me feel alone. You made me feel chosen. You made me feel safe. You made me feel loved in ways.
Salamat ko dako sa Ginoo nga ang akong anak nga si Beverly naminyo gid siya tarong. Nakita na ko ang kabuutan sa iyang bana hinautong tanga dili mausab. Nagpasalamat gid ko dako sa Ginoo sila nga na kapot ginilalang gitinguha nga magiusa sila sa kaminyoon.
Mas lig-unon jud nato atong kaugalingon uban ang plano sa Ginoo. Naara ko permi sa imong kilid musuporta sa imong mga damgo ug plano. Bisan pa sa usahay magkalagyo tungod sa trabaho, ayaw ka balaka kay ikaw ra gihapon akong higumaon.
Love, you are not just my answered prayer. You are the person my heart learned to wait for. And today, with all that I am, I choose you. Because indeed, I have found the one whom my soul loves.
What I would do, what I would say, the lengths I would go to, the measures I'd take to be loved. Oh, to be loved.
Salamat kaayo sa imong gugma ug sa imong indiscretion. I promise to love you more each day, labaw pa sa akong ipakita karon. I love you so much, langga, angtod sa hangtod. Ikaw ra jud.
And I will spend the rest of my life loving you, with God at the center of it all. I love you, love.
It is my great privilege to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Jed and Beverly Sacco. Congratulations.